Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Makar. I am studying in third semester in mechanical engineering in LJ University. Today I will give explanation about my project of COM. First of all, COM means kinematics of machine. It is a branch of mechanics which helps to find how different machinery works and different mechanism created by different links, pair and etc. and how to design gear. Today I have created a Python program to find angle turned by gear, angle turned by pinion and minimum number of teeth required on gear to avoid interference. First of all, to find angle turned by gear and pinion, we know about path of approach, path of recess and arc of contact. Now, path of approach means path traced by point of contact from the starting engagement of gear to the pitch point. It means the distance between starting engagement of gear to the pitch point. And path of recess means path traced by pitch point to the ending engagement of the gear. The distance between pitch point to the ending engagement of gear. Path of contact is the combination of path of approach and path of recess. The path traced by point of contact from the starting engagement of the gear to the ending engagement of the gear. And interference means the phenomenon when the tip of the tooth undercuts the root of meeting gears. Now let's see the Python program to find angle turned by gear, pinion and minimum number of gear required to avoid interference.
So this is a Python program to find angle turned by gear, angle turned by pinion and minimum number of teeth required on the gear to avoid interference. First of all, they ask 5 parameters: number of teeth of pinion, number of teeth of gear, modulum. Now modulum is ratio of pitch circle diameter to the number of teeth, and addendum. And addendum is the radial distance of a tooth from pitch circle to the top of the tooth. And they ask pressure angle. Let's check this program. Number of teeth of pinion 20. Number of teeth of gear 60. Modulum 5. Addendum 5 mm. And pressure angle 20 degree. So here is output. They will also show path of approach, path of recess, path of contact, arc of contact and contact ratio. The angle turned by gear is 10.02 degree. Angle turned by pinion is 30.07 degree and minimum number of teeth required on the gear to avoid interference is 44 gears.
This Python program also helps to find path of approach, path of recess, arc of contact and contact ratio very quickly.